Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't make it to the beach. Instead, something happened. I was on my way to the beach, but I am in Shkodër, the second city of Albania. And it feels like a quiet, small city. I think it is. I arrived here yesterday, last night. I met some people. We went out, but there was not much going on. So we just went to a shisha bar. We drank and smoked a bit, but around midnight it was over. And this here is the main street. This is where it all happens. Here are the most bars and restaurants. If you look in front of me, this is it. And to the other side, it's there. That's the main street. A bit further down are more places. This is very touristic. A bit more down are a bit more places with locals. But this is mainly the tourist part. I'm walking towards my car now, and we're going to check out the surroundings. So I don't stay here in the city. We're going to see one of those picturesque villages here, close by, not too far away, 30 minutes. And also want to go to the beach, because the weather is supposed to be nice later today. It's not now. Now it's still cloudy. Yeah, this is where I was yesterday. Have a look in Shkodër.
Okay. Hi, porsche.
This is just one street behind the main street. And this is where I park my car. On a little parking square where there's also a security guard. So he asked me like €6 to park it for 2 days. That's not bad, right? You look like a friendly man and reliable. And if that is true, we will only find out now if my car is still there. Yeah, man. Good?
Good, ja.
Okay. I take my car.
Another rijkaart, Holland.
Ja. Gulit.
Golit.
Van Basten.
Parken, wat best.
I take my car, but I...
Hollanda, super. Super Hollanda. Uw collega.
You know Hollanda?
Hollandes.
Feyenoord.
Feyenoord. Ja. Wow.
De Sevilla campeón.
Huh?
De Sevilla campeón.
Yes. My city. We won the league. Very good. I take my car. I come back later. Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
Zo. Hollanda. Kom, Hollanda.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So it's quite funny because, you know, they know mainly Dutch football players who played in the Italian league, because you know Albania doesn't have the best football league, so they all follow the closest football league, which is big, which is Italy. So they know those players. I'm on my way to Zogai, one of those picturesque villages, but I wanted to stop here for a minute because this here is one of the best and biggest clubs in the whole of Albania. Just 15 minutes from Shkodër, and I contacted them if they're open, but they're not open tonight, only in the weekend, and it looks also very closed. I think they have to do some renovations to open for new season. So from what I understood, they reopen it next or this Saturday. So I think new season starts on Saturday, and it's an open air club. And while I'm passing by, I just would like to see what it looks like, and if this really is a nice club. There's nobody here. But here it looks not ready at all for the new season. But let's have a look. Let's see what it is. So here on the left, this must be, yeah, the club where the gigs are, I think. We can see the podium there. This is a terrace, the podium. They need to work on it. There are lots of tables, but also a good dance floor. And here on the side also tables, and on the other side, well, it looks nice, looks okay. And then here upstairs, here are tables. I don't know if this is supposed to be a terrace or just they prepare it to go in the club as well. And here is one big mess. I don't know if this is part of the club or just for stock. And you know, then you have nice view over the Shkodër Lake. I would love to go here, but on Saturday I'm in Tirana, and I contacted them, as I said, but yeah, no. I think Saturday is really when the new season starts. Is it real? Yeah, we will find out. That's where the guard should be. In that little house. Well, looks like a nice place. Absolutely. I continue to Zogai. So this is Zogai. I'm climbing up the mountain. I don't know if there is something, but we're gonna have a look. The lady told me yes, you can go up, and then there is a view over the Shkodër Lake. You can already see it. It's not the best day, but the clouds there are less clouds than before. So I think later today you can go to the beach. Oh yeah, look. Here we're going all the way up. Nice, those small old stone stairs. I don't know where I'm going. Could be a dead end anytime, but we'll see. Hi. Hi, Vista.
Only here.
Yeah, great. So here to the left, he said. Okay, here's a bigger road, even for cars. Here we can see already the lake a bit better. It's nice because there in the back it's not easy to see, but there you see the mountains in the clouds, and before the mountains there it's flat. You know, of course the mountains go down, and on the foot of the mountain, close to the water, there are the villages, and in front of that there is the lake. I drove a bit further, and this is the most west I could go in Zogai. And here the road just stops. As you see, here is a gate, that's it. So I can't go any further to the west on this road. So from here it's not possible to continue around the lake, also because I think there is Montenegro. And this is just, this is the Shkodër view, Shkodër Lake. So I'm gonna drive back now to see if I can go somewhere else. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! I didn't make it to the beach. Instead, something happened. I was on my way to the beach, but I had to refuel. It was my car, it was always empty. And I went to the gas station, and you know, here, there are those guys, they help you. So I stopped the car, I told him, okay, 4,000 lek, which is around 40 euro. He filled it, I wanted to pay, and then he said, diesel, eh? No, no diesel. No, benzine. Oh, problem. So what, are you kidding me? No, he was not. He put diesel in the car. Oh my God. So we pushed the car away, and he didn't know what to do. He was lost, he didn't speak English. So he called somebody and he said, yeah, wait, somebody coming. And I was just waiting there, and I thought, okay, they're gonna solve this quickly, you know. And it didn't take very long. So this guy came with his truck, and before I knew, my car was on the truck. And I thought, huh? Okay, we need to tow it away, apparently. And yeah, he said, yeah, we need to tow it away. We need to bring it to a garage there. They're gonna solve it. Everything is gonna be okay. I thought, oh my God. And the guy from the gas station, he was also a bit stressed, and he apologized. Oh, sorry. Well, it's okay. So we went to the garage, and we pushed our car inside in the garage, and there were like a lot of young guys, 25 years old, quite relaxed. So, you know, I was not stressed. I was also quite relaxed because I thought, okay, they're going to solve this. You know, those things happen more often. So we pushed the car in the garage, they lifted it up with the lift, And I don't know if it's the way it goes, but, you know, they just drilled a hole in the bottom of the car. You know, and then all the benzene, or the diesel, was dropping out. So I thought, oh, okay, is this the way it goes? I thought they would do it differently. But okay, they know I don't have any other option. And they said, okay, yeah, now we need to wait a bit until the tank is empty. And this took quite a long time, like 40 minutes maybe. They had some big buckets, and it was very slow dropping out the diesel and a bit of benzene. So I was just waiting there, and I thought, oh, fucking hell, now what's going to happen? They're going to charge me for the works, they're going to charge me for the truck and for the gasoline. So my tank was completely empty, and then they refilled it a little bit, and then they drove it to the gas station, you know, because next to the garage was also a gas station. So the guy said, I said, no, wait, only 3,000 lek, I said, I think. And he said, no, full. I said, no, not full. Yeah, full. No problem. It's gratis. Gratis. Yeah, gratis. Okay. So he filled the tank for me for free. And he said, yeah, it's okay. And, okay, the tank was full. I had a free tank. You know, the thing was the bottom of the car, you know, they put a screw in it or something like that. Man, you know, it seems good because, you know, I'm driving now. And the guy gave me a free, like 550 kilometers for free, basically. So at the end, it's okay. I lost time. I couldn't go to the beach, and I don't know what the rental company is going to say about this. Also, the guys were very relaxed. You know, they were just, man, that would never happen in the Netherlands. They were just, the benzene was dropping out, and they were just leaning against the car and smoking a cigarette. You know, like nothing is going on. And also, you know, they made fire. They wanted to check if it's benzene. Oh, look, it's benzene. So they made a little fire with paper, and they just threw it away. Like there's no danger at all. Those things. It's funny. But yeah, that's what you experience if you are in countries like this and you go your own way. That's the adventurous part of the trips.